0 Juliet Whiskey, descend to maintain 3000.
3000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Potomac 450 Romeo Golf, 6,900, descending 4,000.
Dallas 5138, start slowing your approach speed for slower traffic ahead, connect the Dulles Tower 120.1.
Flowing now, going to the tower, Sky 5138.
450 Romeo Golf, Roger, Dulles Altimeter 2995.
95.
Wisconsin 3811, reduce speed 160 knots, follow traffic ahead.
Reduce speed 160, Wisconsin 3811.
Air Wisconsin 3946, reduce speed 170.
170, Wisconsin 3946.
Air Wisconsin 3946, turn right heading 280.
Right, 280, Wisconsin 3946.
Air Wisconsin 3946, descend to maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000, Wisconsin 3946.
Gulfstream 0 Romeo Golf, descend to maintain 3000.
3000, 0 Romeo Golf.
Air Wisconsin 3811, connect the Dulles Tower 120.1.
Tower 20.1, Wisconsin 3811.
Air Wisconsin 3946, turning 340 and submarine 1 right localizer.
340, SF1 right, localizer, Wisconsin 3946.
Air Wisconsin 3946, you are following CRJ2 traffic at your 2 to 3 o'clock, 3 miles, and they're actually 300 feet above you.
Wisconsin 3946, we got him inside.
Wisconsin 3946, follow the traffic, clear visual approach, runway 1 right.
Alright, clear for the visual 1 right, Wisconsin 3946.
That is 0 Juliet Whiskey, reduce speed to 210.
Okay, slow to 210, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Potomac, you got November 264 Romeo Victor with you at 4,000.
264 Romeo Victor, Roger, Dulles Altimeter 2996.
2996.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, you're following regional jet traffic, 1 o'clock, 4 miles, at 2,000 feet there on a Dog Lake base.
Alright, we're looking 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Potomac United 311 out of 8 on the 1 right localizer.
At 311 Potomac, Roger, reduce speed now to 210, 2,000 speed, then descend to maintain 5,000.
210 speed, then 5,000, United 311, will slow now.
Air Wisconsin 3946, reduce speed 160 knots or less.
160 knots or less, Wisconsin 3946.
That is 0 Juliet Whiskey, reduce speed 170, then descend to maintain 2,000.
Okay, 170, then 2000, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Alright, flight speed checks. We're moving.
Wisconsin 3946, connect the Dulles Tower 120.1.
What the tower is, Wisconsin 3946.
Our 0 Juliet Whiskey, advise me has regional jet traffic ahead, 12 o'clock and 3 miles.
We have them in sight, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
0 Juliet Whiskey, you follow the traffic ahead, cleared visual approach, runway 1 right.
Okay, cleared visual, 1 right behind the traffic, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Gulfstream 0 Romeo Golf, reduce speed to 170, then descend to maintain 2,000.
Slow to 170, then descend 2,000, 0 Romeo Golf.
Falcon 4 Romeo Victor, reduce speed to 190, then descend to maintain 2,000.
190 first, then down to 2,000 for Romeo Victor.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, connect the Dulles Tower 120.1.
Okay, over to the tower, 0 Juliet Whiskey, good day. Dulles Tower, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, visual 1 right.
Tower 300 Juliet Whiskey, Dulles Tower, runway 1 right, cleared to land.
Clear land 1 right, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Brickyard 3712, Kilo 4, contact ground point 9er.
Kilo 4.9, Brickyard 3712.
1 dot on the glide slope. Gears coming down. 3 green, no red. Start slowing. Alright, there's our full flat speed. We'll just wait just a second. Make sure the speed is jumping around a little bit. Make sure we're trending slower. There we go. Flaps are moving.
And November 0 Juliet Whiskey, reduced to final approach speed. Traffic are following doing 100 knots over the ground. You're currently 2 miles in trail of them.
Alright, we're slowing. 0 Juliet Whiskey.
And Wisconsin 3811, say gate.
Charlie 20, Wisconsin 3811.
Taxi Kilo short of Echo, contact the ramp.
Kilo short of Echo, contact the ramp there, Wisconsin 3811.
Wisconsin 3946, plan for minimal time on the runway.
Roger.
Alright, 450 Romeo Golf, Dallas Tower, you up? Alright, 300 Juliet Whiskey, thank you.
Roger.
Dallas Tower, 450 Romeo Golf, visual 1 right.
Right on.
450 Romeo Golf, Dallas Tower, runway 1 right. Cleared to land, wind, tree 08.
Clear to land, 1 right, 0 Romeo Golf.
450 Romeo Golf, and you're currently 3 miles in trail of the aircraft doing 100 knots over the ground.
450 Romeo Golf, we're at slowest speed right now.
Roger, should be no issue.
Okay.
Wisconsin 3946, exit left, Kilo 4, say gate.
Kilo 4, gates Alpha 2, Wisconsin 3946.
Taxi Kilo short of Delta, contact the ramp.
Short Delta, contact ramp, Wisconsin
500. Autopilot.
The autopilot's away. We're standby on the yaw down for a second. He's clear of the runway. Alright, yaw damp's away.
Dallas Tower, November 264 Romeo Victor is with you on final for 1 right, visual.
Sorry, 264 Romeo Victor, Dallas Tower, runway 1 right, clear to land, city parking.
Clear to land, we're going to Jet Aviation.
Jet, copy. Number 300 Juliet Whiskey, exit left, Kilo 6, taxi Kilo northbound, say parking.
Kilo 6, Kilo northbound, we're going to Signature.
Roger, taxi via Kilo to Signature with me.
Okay, Kilo to Signature with you, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Alright, welcome to Dulles.